Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if you can't add Instagram story, so how you can also fix it. So first thing you need to know, you need to try to close your Instagram app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help you, you can also just try to update your Instagram app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram app. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to fix it in another way. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after you can try to turn off mobile data or cellular data and turn on again. So, and the latest option you can try, just try to restore your phone. So just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second, and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restore your phone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.